Hey y'all, Jeff here, Jeff's Cars and Garage, and well, it's another video, and this one here I'm going to talk a little bit about my 560 SEL that's sitting right here that has not been started, and I know at least a couple months, and I need to get it out, and I need to actually polish it up a little bit, rinse it off. You know, my registration comes due the end of next month on this car, and I need to drive it. But I'm going to get in, actually start it, and you're going to witness what it does at the beginning of the starting. Now, usually what happens is it'll puff a little bit of smoke, and what I think it is it's a little bit of oil that's gotten past the valve seats and gotten down into the top of the cylinders. And you know, is it a common thing? Yeah, probably needs to be addressed. And oh goodness, now I got the wind kicking up. Better find something to hold that door open. Let's see, what do I have that can work? Well, this should hold it. We'll just set this down there on the, yeah, that'll hold it. That'll keep it from going. So that's what I kind of want y'all to witness. And if y'all think it's something different, put your comments down below, and we'll, you know, and I can address that. This may be another winter project where I've got to do a little bit to it to actually make it function, you know, perfect. Now, there's a few little bumps and bruises on the car, as you've probably seen in other videos. But I need to balance the tires because I haven't driven this. I probably will have to invest in some new tires at some point. I mean, the tread's fine, but it just doesn't get driven enough. So, you know, they're getting some flat spots on it. So those will probably work themselves out. But a new good set, you know, a good new set of tires would probably be, you know, good for the car. And then I should drive this a little bit more. I really should get it out on the road. So without further ado, let's get in and let's start this thing up and see what she does. Now, hopefully the battery hasn't drained and I don't see any lights on. So guess what? Oh, well. Oh, look at that. Fires right up. No issues. Let me turn the radio down. My goodness, sitting 2.5 months and it just fires right up. I'm gonna let it warm just a bit, and then I'll just back it out, and we'll let it sit there and run. And oh my goodness! Right now it's on economy. I know I can put it on AC, and this thing would just do marvelous. But give it a little acceleration. Y'all can see the back of the car. I'm in the driver's seat. So, all right. So here we go. We're gonna back out a little bit, and I can see a little bit of smoke it puffed, and that is what I was talking about. And man, oh goodness. Nice, smooth car. Still has the sheepskin seat covers on it. Yeah, it's had cats getting underneath the doors, but oh my folks, That's the car. Now, again, like I said, it's got a few bumps and bruises on it, but it's all there. The only thing that doesn't work on it is the power antenna. So put your comments down below if what you think that the oil is using. Man, that sun is bright, and boy, is it hot out here. So I want to end this video a little short because I can't see. I'm sweating in my eyes, and so I'm going to take this car for a ride, probably rinse it off here in the yard this evening. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. Comments down below. Hit subscribe if you haven't. Share with your friends. People ask me, is this car for sale? No, not yet. Is it one I would be interested in selling? If the price was right, I might, but at this point, I should be driving this car. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.